Hey y'all, Mike here, Blueface Plus. Thanks for tuning in. We're going to go ahead and do this unboxing on a Cuisinart propane portable table grill we got for our camper. Got this off Amazon just for around 120 bucks. So we're going to go ahead and open this up, show you kind of what it looks like, and then we'll be able to leave a review on what we think about this product and if it's working good, if it's worth getting. So let's get ahead and start opening this bad boy up. And it's dark. We're trying to cook. So here we go. All right, y'all, here we are. Let's see what this bad boy looks like. Let's get it opened up. All right, right out the box. And just slide it on out. So, it seems like the packaging is pretty good anyway. Smells used. No, I'm joking. Shouldn't have to put too much. Just be very careful. The sides are very sharp, edges. So just overall, just get a shot of that. Just see if we can get it. Stainless steel. I think we might have to put the legs on it. It's got some clamps on the side. Clamps. All right, so that's everything it gives you. More trash. This looks like probably the burners. So we got a handle. Great, overall that grate looks really nice, clean stainless, not that dark trash. So actually looks like the burner's already installed. So overall it looks pretty good. These might be the legs or something. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get this thing assembled and then show you all what it looks like all set up. Alrighty, y'all, so here's the hardware. It gives us a couple knobs, some hardware, the feet, that was the drip pan, the handle. So we're gonna get that all installed and then show you guys probably tomorrow with the daylight and see how that looks. Alrighty, y'all, so you just take a nut and bolt, the legs just slot right on there, put the nut and bolt through, tighten it on up. That's how you do the feet. Overall look underneath. Some directions. Already all four legs are secure. Grease trap slides in there like that. I'm gonna go ahead and flip it over, install the handle. You got these washers and these two nuts, and then it's probably about ready to get rocking and rolling. Alrighty, y'all, just a quick little check out inside here. We're all ready to rock. We got the two screws in for that. So overall, nice look here. And a nice cool fact is these feet actually break down. So if I get my assistant here, they actually fold up to give you for easy, a little bit more for stowaway. Slide out. Also, I got this because there was some pretty good reviews that it doesn't get hot. So I'll let you guys know once we're grilling. We're going to try to grill on a plastic table. And the good thing is it takes a full-size propane. So no little propane stuff going out to Walmart. You just get your regular propane tank and you're ready to grill out. So fire this bad boy up. Throw some meat on it. Alright, y'all, so just go ahead and we got it primed up. Fires up, first shot. Just had to bleed the air out. Woo! That's getting hot. So we're gonna let that heat up, and then we're gonna have that just burn off any of the smells and stuff like that before we go ahead and put our meat on. And we'll show you guys a bit what that looks like here. You know what your grill looks like, but this is basically a review video of it, just showing how compact it is, how easy it is to work with. Looking right here on a plastic plastic top. We'll have extra sides for that. So appreciate y'all. See if I can get a little more shot of this in the daylight, but y'all stay tuned, and talk to you here shortly. Check out my other videos, like, subscribe. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Take care. God bless.